Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Happy Wednesday. It is early in the morning and today we are doing another what I eat in a day. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started with a cup of coffee. Let's see here. I might do something small for breakfast this morning because I ate really early yesterday. I had some Chinese food like 5:30. So I'm a little hungry this morning. My pods finally came. Right here is the caramel cookie. I put the whole box in that. So this is the only one that I've tried that I like. It's the muffin hazelino. And then I wanted to try this one. I got a lot of questions about this one. I showed this on Instagram yesterday, but I've never tried any of these, so I'll let you guys know. But if you guys have tried any of these, y'all let me know. So I'm excited about this one. Now let me show you guys my little homebody outfit that I'm wearing. It's so cute. It's just like the Skims. It's really comfortable. I've had it since November and I'm just wearing it. It's so comfortable. I got it in a size large. I want the black one too. So cute. So it's just like a cute little loungewear set that I will only wear in the house. I'm not the type of person that wears my loungewear outside. I feel like I got a little too much for that. Maybe if I was like slim and trim, well, I probably still wouldn't wear it out the house even then because it looks like loungewear. It looks like it belongs in the house to me. Some people throw like a little cardigan over it and that looks pretty cute, but like I said, you have to be, to me, if you slim and trim, you can get away with it. So let's go ahead and make some coffee. So I'm actually gonna do some iced coffee because I had to buy this when I was waiting on my pods and it's actually pretty good. So this is the Stoke cold brew coffee and it is unsweet. So I really like this and I'm in the mood for iced coffee. So I'm gonna have this morning. This coffee is so bomb. So y'all going to the grocery store with me for my lunch. I do want to have like a salmon salad or just like a bomb Caesar or Greek salad. I really haven't decided yet, but I know that I definitely want some type of salad for lunch. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. And for dinner, I want to do some salmon. So I need to go to Costco to pick that up. And y'all coming with me. This coffee is so bomb. The only thing that I add is a little bit of hazelnut creamer, caramel, and then the iced coffee. Sometimes when I want to be fancy or when I want it to look cute, mostly, I'll add the whipped cream, but with the creamer and the caramel and whipped cream, that's just really sweet. And I still like to taste a little bit of the coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer a few emails and I'll see you guys when it's time to go to Costco. I'm back from the store. right, let me show y'all everything I picked up. Spring mix, salmon, lobster bisque, island teriyaki, turkey pepperoni, Caesar dressing, edamame, jasmine rice, olives, minced garlic, and 2 avocados. So what I plan on doing is making like a salmon bowl. I'm gonna do like some salmon bites, jasmine rice, avocado, and edamame. I'm gonna use the teriyaki sauce to put on the I was about to say lobster, put on the salmon, and it should be really good. I've never done it before, but I was on Pinterest and it looks really good, so I decided to make that for myself for lunch. Even though it's 3 o'clock, it's closer to my dinner time, but girl, I stopped after I went to Costco's. I stopped and got a pedicure. I gotta put me first, Lucius.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone, flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage.
So that is it for today's video. I ended up having to stop because I had to go pick up my son from school. So it is now 5:32. So this will probably be the last thing that I have to eat for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this, go ahead and edit this video to get it out to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Sharika B, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.